All right, guys, working on my 94 5.0 Mustang. Yes, it's a mess right now. It's dirty. We got a lot of rain about a month ago. I cleaned it once. And yeah, nothing I can do. I have to go through one wash and the water, muddy water would come across the road and make a mess. But I'm gonna have this fully clean as best as I can today. Pulling out the radiator, water pump, all hoses, heater core hoses, heater core is getting replaced, water pump, radiator. Guys, super dope parts for a really good price. Cannot complain at all. This car should run ice cold. I got a 185 thermostat in it. I'm gonna pull it back out, check on it. If it's not working correctly, or exchange it on warranty, put a new gasket. Gonna flush out the motor and go from there. All right, guys, we'll come up with an update here in a little bit. Also gonna pull the bumper off, clean, and rinse the AC condenser from the engine bay out, and then I'll do it back that way. But I'll have all this nice and cleaned up. Go from there. All right, guys. Well, start of it. It's filthy. Girlie's bringing me my purple power so I can spray this all down, have it nice and clean, flush out the motor. Uh-oh. 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 Here it comes.